favorite chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maya. Everything's good. Chef Maya. Everything's good. I make food like you should. And when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maya, Chef Maya. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire. Chef Maya. Everything's good. Chef Maya. Everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Fire. I'm the sister of Chef Maya.
Chef Maya. Everything's good. Chef Maya. Everything's good. And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we are going to be making garlic bread, so let's get started. So first get a bit of a baguette and slice it like so, and then it should look like that. And then get 4 tablespoons of softened butter, and it should put it in a small bowl. Get 3 garlic cloves and mince them and crush them and peel them and everything. Yeah, and you want to get mini garlic cloves. I don't know, we only had mini garlic cloves, that's all I can find. And you want to mince them up to look like this. Put them in the butter. And then you want to put some salt. I don't have the exact measurements, but some salt, some pepper, a dash of crushed red pepper. And we'll be putting in some garlic powder too, to make it more garlicky. And yeah. And probably don't put like a big amount of garlic powder in. And then you want to spread the butter in between those little cuts that we made earlier. And yeah, make it all good. Put it in the toaster oven on a pan with foil, and then put it at toast grillage. And across from the little circle on the top of your toaster oven, and boom, it should look like that. And then this is how it should be. So bye!
Everything's good. See you next time.
Yeah.